Affiliate marketing basics you cannot live without. If you take the proper steps, affiliate marketing can be something that is extremely lucrative. This video will give you all of the ins and outs when it comes to affiliate marketing, and you can use them to obtain success. Use these tips wisely and you should be fine. Remember that affiliate marketing should not be looked at as a get-rich-quick plan. Be patient and know that affiliate monies grow with time and effort. Keep your referral links active. There are different affiliate programs, and if one doesn't work for you, look for another one. Affiliate marketing is a great opportunity to gain passive income if you use it well. To make the most out of affiliate marketing, keep only the programs that are making you the most money. You should submit your affiliate partnerships to a regular and thorough performance review. Try to eliminate the worst affiliates to make room for new ones that will prove more profitable. Catering directly to a product's market is the best way an affiliate can make a sale. Since affiliates work off of sales commissions, there is an inclination to try to market the product to as large an audience as possible, but this is a failing formula. Stick with the niche market and promote the product strongly. It is important as an affiliate that you send your traffic to quality product pages, not to squeeze-in pages and other undesirable pages that may turn them off. You can bypass opt-in pages of websites by using link cloaking tools and sending your customers directly to sales letters and landing pages. While affiliate marketing can be lucrative for some, it may not be as successful for others. You have to remember to be patient because success does not happen overnight. It may be a little slow in the beginning, but if these tips are implemented properly, you can be a success in a decent amount of time. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.